Ukhozi olumaphiko olugula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko nomnyunyiyo egcwele isivinini emafini icula ingoma emnandi yayahlukanisa unyaka omusha komdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza esezidololozela sathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada sothu ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Ngikubingelele ngikwamukele kwesinye isiqephu sokhozi FM TV gama lami nguneliswa Cele. Bona ke sibahle kanjena iAfrica Day namhlanje ngiyazi ukuthi mhlambe mawusubuka angeke kusaba yona 25 kuMay inyanga esikuyona sikulethela zonke izinto ezinhla eziphathelene neAfrica sivunulile kunabaculi kukhona abantu abaphethe ingqephu yakhona la eAfrica sokuthatha sikubeke asambeni siyobona ukuthi Africa Day isiphathelene.
Yangena kwanduna umkhwakwa balele ziyakhongothi zinjotshela kuthiwa balele mgwaqo uyesabeka awusithe inkani zinsizwa bathi saze sangena bevula bathi hashe yasekuvukeni yeke baleni bevula inkani mavakana bathi saze sangena bevula yangena ngoyisi kwela kwandina umkhwakwa balele inkani mavakana oh baba ngisayofesa intombi qomabane mali baba ngisayofesa intombi qomabane mali oh baba ngisayofesa intombi qomabane mali baba ngisayofesa intombi qomabane mali oh qomabane mali qomabane mali oh qomabane mali sayofesa intombi qomabane mali oh baba ngisayofesa intombi qomabane mali baba ngisayofesa intombi qomabane mali oh baba ngisayofesa intombi qomabane mali baba ngisayofesa intombi qomabane mali oh qomabane mali Komabane mali baba ngisayofesa intombi komabane mali ngisayofesa intombi komabane mali oh komabane mali komabane mali komabane mali komabane mali sayofesa intombi komabane mali Come on, Zulu wasenta Zulu wasenta ongasilutho othithiza nje Zulu wasenta isemlonyeni please awethu isemlonyeni bafana ingoma emnandi isemlonyeni bafana ingoma emnandi isemlonyeni wethu bafana ingoma emnandi isemlonyeni
Africa Day njengoba sishilo duze kwami khona ubaba simhlonipha kakhulu ubaba Umbuso Khoza udlala indima enkulu kakhulu futhi nje akudinga uzobube iAfrica Day kumbona ukuthi no hayi wase Africa uyabona nje mina ngayithatha ibizwa ngani lento ugubu okuthiwa ugubu bamkhoza iAfrica Month ngifisa ukuthi umbuzo wami kuwena ungumuntu ogubhayo okuthasela kakhulu ukuba ngumAfrika unyaka wonke insuku ayifana nalezi mhlambe mawukhuthaza weluleka thina singama Africa ukuthi kuye kudinge yini kuze kube no Africa Day no Heritage Day ukuze ubone abantu sinyakaza siqoka izinto zethu sipheka ukudla kwethu sicula amaculo ethu
kubalekile ukuthi sikubungaze lokho ngoba laba abasizalayo balwa ukuze sibe nalolu suku 1963 kwakuhlangana mhlamba amazawu 30 eKush isibizwa ngani manje Ethiopia manje babezama ukuthi amazwe aphume ngaphansi kokucindezela intshona okubizwa ngecoloniality iZimbabwe ngaleso sikhathi yayisabiza ngeRhodesia iSouth Africa nayo yayingakaphatha ngisho ukuphatha indaba yayo then kuthi uHaile Selassie wathi lolu suku malugujwe iminyaka ngeminyaka ukuze nezingane izozalwa zazi so kwase kuthiwa ke lolu suku lo okuthiwa umhla ka25 kuNhlaba noma kuMeyi kuzothiwa iAfrica Day bese ke kusho ukuthini ukuthi singama Africa igama lithi Africa lisho ukuthini nalo lisadinga ukucwaninga ngiyaphosa nje ngaluthi abacwaningi bayibheke lento igama lisuka kuyini mhlambi Coptic language and other Egyptian lokhuzana dialects la bethi khona Africa basho mother of humanity or motherland umuya kwisilathini uAfrica wabo wona uno PHR osho indawo without cold uyabona kuyashisa vele Africa uye kwiLatin nakhona bathi Afri so sengisho ukuthi kumele ibhekwe ngoba kuthe ngo202 BCE should before common era ngithi kube khona before Christ bese kuba khona uBCE so into eyenzeka kwaba nempi ephakathi kweRome neNorth of Africa yayisabizwa ngeCarthage ngaleso sikhathi namhlanje I think iTunisia manje yayilidwa uHannibal I think kwaku igama lika lo baba uSCIO so wathi mayenqoba leyo mpi wayesehlonishwa ukuthi useAfricanus uyabo sengisho ukuthi izinto kumele sizibheke kulenyanga ukuthi kusho ukuthini lokhana lokho kusho ukuthini yes
bonge kakhulu kufisela usuku oluhle siyabona nama performance nezingoma ziyasho hayi umsebenzi uyancomeka
siyathokoza kakhulu kuKhoze FM TV siyabonga amacele magaye
wazi mina
Signore yesizwe indizela phezulu na Tukhozi FM 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 indizela phezulu na Tukhozi FM na Tukhozi FM na Tukhozi FM athina sinyoni yesizwe na sinyoni yesizwe na sinyoni yesizwe na sinyoni yesizwe shaya mapigo from Cape to Cairo shaya mapigo from east to west na Tukhozi FM na Tukhozi FM na Tukhozi FM na Tukhozi FM na Tukhozi FM
Africa, my Africa, Africa, my motherland, land of milk and honey.
honey, land of natural beauty, land where I live. Africa, my Africa, a land with great rulers. Africa, my Africa, land of nature, land of nature. Africa, my Africa, a land blessed by God Himself. On the day of creation, He threw diamonds like stones, gold like rain. He dropped crude oil like rain. Africa, my Africa, land of milk and honey. As we're celebrating Africa Day, let us also celebrate Ukhozi FM. Ukhozi olundizela phezulu, olushaya phiko phezulu kwezilazi Africa. It was founded in 1960. It is one of the largest stations in South Africa and in Africa. It is the voice of Africa, making isiZulu one of the spoken ethnic language. Africa, my Africa.
Of wine, making our first child. Kuba kuya ngami my love. Ngabe sihlalele emzini wethu nabantwana bethu ekhaya lethu. Manje yakuyinda uyange sifundiswe sazifundiswe emakhaya. Manje yakuyinda kuyange yalelesa kuliswa ngayo baby. Can you hear that? Yeah. I want Primero. Oh, oh. Wazamuda want Primero. Oh. Wazamuda Africa. Yeah. Wazamuda want Primero. Oh. Hi. Wazamuda want Primero. Because FM.
Afro Soul sikhona sibonile beperforma izingoma zabo ezimnandi kakhulu. Umculo nje wase-Afrika mawucabanga vele I'm sure abantu nani banicabanga sanibona ninjani
Sanibona
siyaphila usuku lase-Afrika namhlanje la si-Afrika nje yonkana sigubha ubuAfrika bethu ngizoqala ngeimpahla Fisa uqala ngeimpahla enigqokile ningixoxeleni ngazo nihlanganise kanjani nihlezi nigqoke kahle ngisho kuma event angazi uba nothanda ukukhuluma kuqala kodwa ke imic ngizoyisusa kumina
No ngicela ukubingelela kakhulu umbukeli weUkhozi TV okhulumayo uThandeka kaZulu from Afro Soul ngiyabonga kakhulu ma siqokiswe Indoni Fashion House okuyi designer yakhona la eThekwini kwaZulu Natal esishowcase amazwe ngamazwe eAfrika yonkana naphesheya kwezilwandle kuthina ke njengoba sicula umculo weAfropop sicula ngesintu so siyazama ukuthi ngasonke isikhathi mangabe sigibele stage si represent ukuba umAfrika sicula ngezilimi zaseAfrika kunengoma nje siyenze ngeshona ethi Ndipe so izilimi nje ehlukahlukene siyacula ngeSixhosa siyacula ngesiZulu isiVenda njalo njalo so noma sigqoka siyazama ukuthi sigqoke into ezo representa uAfrika bethu so njengamanje ngidecide ukuthi okay ngoba wena uyintombi yomZulu namhlanje mina ngwele ngiyele eAfrika sithi West Africa namhlanje
ngiyayithanda leyo mhlambe nje kafishane esikhathini lesingeke sedlule kushade uCasper Nyovese egqoke isigqoko sakhe sase ku Twitter kakhulu ngiyakakhuluma mhlambe umbono wenu nje noma amazwi wenu kubantu base-Afrika yonkana kusho ukuthi mangumZulu sengiyohlezi ngigqoke kanjena mangithanda ukugqoka okwase West mangithanda ukugqoka se-Ethiopia engabe okwakuphi ucabanga wakho hamba lapho
Ngicela ukuthatha lokho ngicabanga ukuthi as Africans uma sizo embrace of Africa ngokuthi si share ama ideas si share umnotho si share ne kuthiwa economy kuzodala ukuthi umnotho wonke weAfrica ukhule uma ngithenga okwase West African wase West ethenga wase South Africa kudala ukuthi ke sigcine siyinto eyodwa as a continent so that ke sizwane kuzophela nezenofobia kuzopromoteka lokho kuthiwa i-social cohesion so that ke masizwane as iAfrica umnotho uzokhula as the country.
Bengijabule kakhulu bengiqala ukunibona niperforma neKabawo namhlanje bekukuhle kakhulu nizizwa ninjani bunjani umuzwa
bekumnandi kakhulu ngingasho nje ukuthi kuyathokozisa mangabe umholi utshala imbewu ubone kuhluma izithelo kuhleze kusho ukuthi ke usuku ungakabi umholi uma ngabe abantu obaholayo ungekho la uthi khona ngingakafika empilweni yakhe ubela sengikhona mina usela so for us ukubona I product yaseKabawo ikhula kangaka ngikhuluma nje khona ongekho uhambile kwi Lion King uzuke unqobani khona odlala kuzalo khona manje baningi njalo ama productions enzakalayo eSouth Africa yonkana siyabona ama graduates from eKabawo ayangena aveza ikhono lawo so kuthina lokho kuyasithokozisa and thina njengoba sabazali babo noma singabaholi babo sifisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga bakhule badlondlobale badlule ngisho iAfro Soul njengoba ine Metro FM Awards sifisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sikhiqize umuntu oyolanda iGrammy Award so ukubona nje abantwana bethu abakhuliswa yithina bekhula kangaka beperforma kuKhozi FM olmaphiko umsakazo olalelwa inkumbi zabantu kusho likhulu lokho kuthina ngoba nathi sike saba kwi position la sisikhona siyafisa ngelinye ilanga ukuthi sifinyelele kuKhozi nabo mebesilalela senza ama interviews bezomculo wethu bafise so namhlanje kube yithuba lihle elingqayeze vele ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bafinyelele la namhlanje.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyanibongela umsebenzi uyancomeka niqhubeke nje nisithokozise ngomculo omnandi.
Siyazibongela nathi siyabonga kakhulu.
Ayike sambeni.
Oh yeah mama. Oh yeah mama. Oh yeah mama. Hey. Oh yeah mama. Hey. Mama. Hey. Mama mama. Hey. Mama mama. Hey. Baby sawale, sawa sawale, sawa sawale, asha. I don't have man no be small. Now we stand to shop money. Somebody send wapania, mataka nefe umumanya. See them girls them plenty. Waka waka baby, wuru wuru baby. And I go tell my mama, and I go tell my papa, and I go tell them say, give me waka baby, give me shuku baby, sango baby.
Alright, eduze kwami kume umculi ovela ezweni lase Nigeria, uSolomon Uwili. Kade siperformela kamnandi. I think it was how many songs?
3 songs.
3 songs. Ade uwezwa. It's Africa Day. We're so excited to have you here.
I'm also
Thank
excited.
you.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about yourself. It's not common for us to have musicians come through from different countries and perform on a Zulu radio station.
Yes. And I'm very excited every time I'm called to come to Khosi FM because I get a lot of response from people. Means it looks like it's the biggest station in Africa, from what I hear. And I'm always excited to come here and to have this audience to also interact with the right people that I want to interact with.
Well, we're happy to have you here. I'm keen to know a few things that are Nigerian. I'm Zulu. So, for example, when you're in South Africa, where do you get the best jollof rice?
The best jollof rice in South Africa.
In Durban. Okay,
In Durban.
Durban. Where do you get yours? When you feel like a meal from home.
Should I hide to say it? South Beach.
I'll definitely go to South Beach for
South Beach. That's where you get the best of the jollof rice.
Right. Okay. And is there anything that is an interesting fact that you feel on Africa Day, as South Africans, we can learn about Nigeria?
I think we must not lost our culture, and South Africa also have everything. I think what should we learn? I'm here to learn also South African culture. I've learned a lot as well. What to learn from Nigeria? There's a lot to learn from each other. I don't know what to pick specifically right now, but there's a lot of things we learn from each other in terms of how we maintain our culture and our heritage as Africans. I think that's what's important most. How we should look out for each other as a human being and as Africans as well.
Africans are very great with music. Do you have any words or thoughts for South African and Nigerian musicians in this time, as it's Africa Day and we celebrate each other's cultures?
Yeah, Africa. I wouldn't forget to say we have one thing right now that is dope. They say after the game between South Africa and Nigeria, Amapiano is now our piano. So we roll with everything. Everything belongs to us now. We own Africa. Amapiano is our piano. So there's a lot that I've lost my train of thought, but yeah, I think we're just gonna vibe together and make Africa great as in the best way we can as Africans.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your music and your culture with us. I wish you a very happy Africa Day.
Thank you.
Africa Day experience yomsakazo Ukhozi olumaphiko phiko lelo Ukhozi FM ashangena ama models ethu njengamanje uLonda wakwambatha owenza uhlelo cobela kufalaza njalo ngomsomluko ekseni kusuka ngo3 kuya ku5 ugqoka ingubo enhle maxhosa by Laduma inkinobho zakhona engathi zima pearls ezinhle ngendlela esimangaliso nohlopho uthumbeza uliba shaye enye ikhethi ongena laphana kwikhwezi lokusa njalo ngomgqibelo ekseni kusuka ngo3 kuya ku6 kulona ke Ukhozi olumaphiko phiko aphinda buye futhi intambama kwinumber 2.0 ngo9 kuya ku12 singena emasangweni ngokubonga kunqoba abaphikelelayo uphindi phiwe libo lokuqala njalo ngolesibili kuya kulesihlanu ngo3 kuya ku5 emsakazweni Ukhozi FM ugqoke u2-piece wakhe isketi netop yakhe enhla maxhosa by Laduma imbala emihle nje eqhakazile ekhombisayo ukuthi cha singama Africa singabase Africa uThembeka uMazondo cele noSiyamhlongo ubusuku obuhle umsomluko kuya kulesine ngo8 kuya ku12 ebusuku noThembeka ongumdidiyeli weinhlelo zezenkolo emsakazweni Ukhozi olumaphiko phiko usiya ibhluku lakhe uyabona umblaselo kodwa unaleya touch leyana yemaxhosa unembala emihle engathi lihlazanyana hayi wangena uLonda nababeza uLonda uLi uThembeka Phindi P uLonda ingubo yakhe nembala enhlaza khona nebovu kube uLina ngokunjalo imali nje eqamile yaseAfrika uyabona ingcephethe mayiqhamuka izikhulumela yona Singena kwezengqephu-ke manje usisi wami usithe uMamnguni wakaKhumalo othunga ingqephu angazi nani ukuthi ngayichaza kanjani yabona mawungena ku-Instagram uthi nje Stash Fashion Boutique uhambe laphana uyobona uZamamseleku ubone mina mos ubona impahla impahla ezinhle sisi wami ngikubingelele ngomkele
Ngiyabingela sisunjaneni.
Ngiyaphila. Namhlanje iAfrica Day and enye ingqephu oyithungayo futhi nje kahle ngendlela encomekayo ingqephu yaseAfrika. Khona into yakwenza ukhethe ukuthunga ngala?
Yes, ikhona into yangenza ukuthi ngiyawathanda kakhulu into ezaseAfrika futhi ngithanda nama-colors kakhulu ukubona ukuthi mangabe abantu base-Africa bayawathanda ama-colors so iyona eyangi-inspirisha nje ama-colors ngiyawathanda ama-colors ukwadlalisa ama-colors ahlukene.
Mhlambe ukuthatha isikhathi esingakanani ukwenza nje yabo ingubo yakho nje obiyinhle kanje thatha isikhathi esingakanani?
Hayi ngithatha isikhathi eside yeah mina angizange ngifundele ukuthunga ngiye ngizwa abanye abakufundela ukuthi baqala ba draft emaphepheni so mina nje it comes naturally ngivene nje ngithatha
ihlanganise
ngiyisike ngihlanganise so mina kubalula kakhulu because it's my gift into engayiphiwa uNkulunkulu italent lami kubalula nje kumina akungithatha isikhathi eside kakhulu.
Mhlawumbe ufisa ukubonani ngebusiness lakho leimpahla zase-Africa?
Ngiyathanda ukuzibona umsebenzi wami uhamba uzufinyelele nje mhlawumbe uvele nakomabona kude kona noma bekhona ngisebenzisane nabo abavela komabona kude uhambe nje mhlawumbe uzufike naphesheya because ngiyacabanga ukuthi akhona abantu base-Africa abahlala phesheya ko overseas ko America umsebenzi wami ngiyahalela ukubona uhamba uzufike kulelo zinga.
All right.
Ubona umhlaba wonke.
Manje mawasilandisa ke nje sesiphetha umuntu ofisa ukuthola izimpahla kuwena wenza kanjani?
Awazi ukungifonela u73 700 3110 ngakwazi ukusendela uWhatsApp futhi kuyona leyo number u73 700 3110 sikhona ku TikTok it's Tesh Fashion B sikhona ku Instagram sikhona na ku Facebook sina Facebook page Tesh Fashion Boutique.
Sesiswami ngibonge kakhulu ingqephu yakho yinhle yancomeka ngikufisela inhlanhla.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you.
Bonga mina. Singayi nje Africa ngaphandle kokudla. It's ke favorite time yanombani nje Africa abantu abafuna ukubadonsa ubadonsa ngokudla. Chef Zozo ume eduze kwami from Zozo's Kitchen ngikubingelele ngwamkele.
Sanibonani njani?
Siyaphila. Ngiyakubona ukudla kwakho kudekiwe kuhle ngixoxele ngemenu yakho nanokuthi imenu yakho ukhipha kanjani uAfrica. Yini khona lena ngichazele nje.
Okay, so namhlanje nginiphathele imenu yase West Africa and Eastern African countries. Njengoba nibona nje la sine jollof rice, delicacy kakhulu ko Ghana, ko Nigeria, sibe ne fried assorted meats. Now if fried assorted meats ngoba ubona nje iphike elikhulu that's turkey, that's fried beef and fried yes, fried fish and then gehambisana ke nje lo nalo 6 and 9.
Khamba ndawonye.
Yes. And then sibe nenhloko ke abayibiza nge lip meat and then cow leg amanqine enkomo sibe nepapa sibe nemfino as well as tilapia. Now tilapia is a fish ephelele abamseva ephelele yes.
Kumnandi ukudla kwakho ngiyakubona wakufunda kanjani ukupheka ukudla kwase West Africa?
I think kwaqala ngokuthi phela I'm an African cuisine chef. And ngathi sengiyitshelile ukuthi I will specialize in African food. I took it upon myself ukuthi manje angiqale ke ngifunda ukudla kwamanye amazwe ase-Africa. Ngoba sibona nje la eThekwini sina almost wonke amazwe ase-Africa. Uyathola ama-Nigerians, uyathola ama-Zimbabweans, uyathola ama-Congolese. So it's not just about ukuthi imali ngizoyenza ngama-South African ngenhloko no. I just wanted to broaden my knowledge and exposure.
All right, Zozo's Kitchen sithola phi?
Zozo's Kitchen uyithola on Instagram Zozo's_kitchen and then for any inquiries, bookings, free quotation on 065-933-4841 or you can send us an email on zozocaterers@gmail.com. Otherwise ungangithola e98 Bulwer Road.
All right, ke sisibonge kakhulu. I'm sure kudla kuzoba mnandi sengihalela nje ukuthi iphisinyana. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngimelana neEnhle's Kitchen uNoma noZanele bazongichazela ngokudla kwabo okumnandi abakwenzayo. Sanibonani?
Yebo sawubona.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila.
Siyaphila. Angeke ngixoxeleni ngokudla enikuphekayo, nipheka ukudla kanjani?
Lana eEnhle's Food sinokudla kwesiZulu nje. Traditional food. Noma ikuphi inhlobo yokudla kwesiZulu njengoba nibonile nje lana ukuthi sinesigwaqane
ngiyabona
yebo sibuye sibe nenhloko yes kodwa konke lokwenziwe ngokwesiZulu ayikho nje into esifakele ngo curry powder nantontoni
ngiyabona
nje natural nje zinto
Zulu ngempela
yebo kube imfino lena sibe nosu sifake na ucarrot izaqatha bese siba laphayana nenyama yezulu esiyibiza ngomleqwa sibe nolimu lwenkomo inhliziyo nethanga
mhlambe nje manje ngilandisa yini eyanenza nakhetha ukupheka ukudla kwesiZulu
abazulu bezulu nanokuthi okhari nantontoni ku overrated so lokudla kuya abantu abaningi bayakuthanda nje bayakwazi
all right ke umuntu ofuna ukudla kwase Enhle's Kitchen wenza kanjani
Uyasithola ezinomborweni zocingo.
Mhlawumbe umbole umbhobho simuzwe kahle siyakufuna lokudla phela
Uyasithola ezinomborweni zocingo ku 083 859 7424 naku
084 917 3308
Hayi ke ngizofona mina ngoba kuyahalisa lokudla ungibona nje ngisala ngisasebenza bekade ngilivalile uhlelo ngilinde lokudla sibonge kakhulu Siyabonga Kwaze kwamnandi emsakazweni uKhozi FM bekumnandi kakhulu kuyi Africa Day silana endlini zomsakazo sibona imfashini sathola umculo wala eAfrica ngebubu uyabona ukuthi sekapha msho usuyalunguza usikhathi yini ledliwayo kumnandi kakhulu ukuba ngabantu baseAfrica sithokozela izinto zethu ezahlukahlukene asizithandeni sizigqajeni ngazo mos guysini sibahle siyayishaya into yethu futhi nje ayisuka mani ngilambile manje uthi ngiyodla papa yini